Hey guys, it's Young here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Korean sushi, Kimbap. So you just basically need to prepare some vegetables and eggs and the ham. And I also specially put some tuna on it. I'll put the tuna and mix with the mayonnaise. And you should get your own sushi seaweed. I got my Korean one. It's a cubic square size, and just exactly you can make a kimbap like this size. A little bit rectangle, but yeah, there is on sushi seaweed. Okay, first you put your seaweed, and you need the rice. You need to put some sesame seeds and sesame oils and mix with the seasoning the rice. Especially not too hot. Don't need to be hot. Just a medium temperature rice would be good. So I'll put the rice on and spread all the rice about two-thirds of your seaweed. And I'm gonna put sesame leaf like this. And I'm start to putting everything whatever you want. Just cut like a little bit slicely so that you can put everything's inside the seaweed, square seaweed. So our family like to put a lot of vegetables, so I'm gonna put lots of vegetables. Start with carrot, and some spinach. Boil the spinach about 15 seconds, make it soft, and squeeze all the waters. And traditionally we put the spinach on seaweed too. And I have a cucumber. So I put a little salt on it, and it's if you put salt on it, there's a water coming out of the cucumber, so you have to wipe it down as much as you can. But you can also use the cucumber as soon as you cut. But me, I like to put some seasoning, salty flavor, and put some radish. Oh, this is a special sushi kimbap radish. So you can also buy in the market when you purchase a seaweed. And we're gonna roll it. When you roll, hold it as much as you can. Oh, we forgot to put some tuna. Just a little bit of tuna. Spread it. Oh, it's a little bit big, but I hope it works. Okay, and roll it. Hold everything's in position and pull up your seaweed, bottom of your seaweed, and put it down as much as you can and stick it on the bottom like this. And keep rolling. There we go. now I can cut. Ouch. Sorry. Shape like this inside. It's pretty awesome. I pre-make it one roll. Looks like this. I hope you guys enjoy the video and hope you make your own kimbap at home. Good luck.